How to transfer Picoin in Suncrypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely transfer your Picoins using the Suncrypto wallet. First, open the Suncrypto app and log in. You should see your dashboard displaying your available balance. Before proceeding, ensure you have sufficient Picoins for the transaction and check for any network fees. Next, tap the wallet section and locate Picoin in your asset list. In this one, you can actually only select the bank transfer, so we're going to have a workaround this. Now enter the recipient Pi wallet address. It's crucial to double check the address, as entering the wrong one could result in losing your Pi coins permanently. After verifying the address, input the amount of Pi coins to send. Remember, Suncrypto may have a minimum transfer limit, so check the requirements before proceeding. Review the transaction details, including the address and amount. Once confirmed, enter your security PIN or complete biometric verification to authorize the transaction. After confirming, the transaction will be processed on the Pi Network. Transfer times may vary depending on network congestion, so be patient. To verify the transaction, go to the transaction history section where you can see the status of your transfer. And that's how you transfer Picoin using Suncrypto.